Hello, my pretties. So basically today what we're doing is the cookie challenge, and I'm pretty sure the first thing you said when you clicked on my video is, why the heck is she wearing a bag on her head? Well, the reason I'm wearing a bag on my head is because it's the new look. You need to go to school like this. Just kidding. I'm dyeing my hair, and apparently I'm dyeing my hands too. I'm doing pink. Yep. I forgot to get a shower cap, so I'm not about to sleep on my bed with pink hair that has not been washed out yet. So that's why I have a bag on my head. It's quite beautiful, isn't it? I know. And I'm sorry for the beeping in the background. I'm pretty famous on Facebook, so I've been getting a lot of messages and stuff. It's probably my mom checking up on me. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know if I already told you, but I'm doing the cookie challenge because I've been getting a lot of requests for that. So, yeah. Okay, that's a lie. Nobody watches my channel, so, I don't get any emails or any requests or anything. So, I saw these people doing the cookie challenge, and I will put the link somewhere in this little box. The cookie challenge. I recently had 5 cookies, but I'm a failure, and I only have 2.5 cookies now. So I will be doing the cookie challenge, like I said, 25 million times. Excuse my potato-ness, and I'm sorry I don't have any makeup on to please your eyes, but this should be fun. I learned from Niall Horan from One Direction, and he was all like, wiggle your eyebrows, and he makes it look so easy. And yeah, I'm gonna show him that I can do it too. Ready, set, okay, my full cookie. With the cookie challenge. Okay, so we're gonna put it on our forehead and wiggle, 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 wiggle. Fail. Ow. Fail. Oh, ah. I win. Yay. Oh, and I apologize for, I don't know if you guys can hear me, if I'm loud enough or not, or if my microphone's just not picking up, or my YouTube freaking thing is stupid, because when I watch my videos again, it sounds like I'm talking like this. And I'm not. I'm talking really loud. So I'm sorry. The cookie challenge was a complete fail, because I'm a failure at everything I do. So yeah, try it yourself. Do a video response to this and show me how you did not fail, because I know my little fishies aren't failures. Okay, bye. I love you guys. Mwah, you're watching Close Up with Kelcie.